Good morning. It is what time?
It's shopping haul time.
You know, we like to shop, especially this one.
Yeah, but I try to go to the secondhand store and save a little bit of money other than going to the department store. So
Well, we do what we can.
sometimes I find really good deals, sometimes I don't. This shopping haul I did pretty good, so we're going to have 2 parts
Probably 2 or 3.
because it's too much. So we'll get started. So I went to my local secondhand store. It's for, I think it goes towards the blind, the funds. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, so the first thing I got, I'm always looking for tablecloths so I can have some variety when we do our tablescapes. So this one is so pretty. This one is, it was $3.98, and green yesterday was on a 50% off. So I ended up getting it for $2. So I don't know if you want to.
You know what I think we should do? And when you after you show it all, I'm going to lay it down somewhere and we'll just take a slideshow of it or something.
Okay.
Because I think it's going to be too much.
Yeah, because it's kind of hard to see what it looks like.
Okay, so that was $2.50?
No, just $2.
$2, okay.
So this next one was labeled as $3. It was yellow. Unfortunately, yellow was not on sale, so I had to pay $3. But I really liked it because look what it has on it. Did you see it?
No, so you got to tell them.
I'm saying you.
No, I can't because it's too
Oh.
dark in here.
You can see. Guess not. It's pumpkins.
Pumpkins.
So maybe this wasn't a great idea to do this on video, but
Oh, I see it now. It's right up close. We'll have to zoom in on this.
yeah.
later.
And then here's a cream color. I could have used this the other day when I did my Tiffany blue and cream, but I didn't have one at the time. And this was a blue label, so I got it for $2. And this is so pretty too. It's got
Well,
these-
maybe what we should do, we should pick these color schemes they have and then go through our inventory and put them in a box where we're ready for next year.
Well, yeah, but I didn't have it, so.
No, I didn't mean that.
Oh.
Because there's things that maybe I'll find in this coming year also I could use. You never know.
Well, I'm asking a big quantity of tablecloths because I cannot stand using the same one over and over again because I can't find them. So when I went this day, they had so many. Here's another one. This one is $3.98. It was orange. It was not on sale, so I paid $4 for it. But this one is huge, and it's so pretty.
And there's no way I would be able to use something that big.
And it's gold, like gold tones in it. So I really like that one. And here's another one.
Ooh,
This
I
one
like that color.
was $3.98. It was a white tag, so it was 25% off. And this, let me see if there's a. Oh yeah, look. Let me see if you could see it on the camera. Maybe not. But can you see what's right here?
Okay, so I'm getting it in my lap.
Right there.
Butterflies.
Butterflies. Isn't that pretty? And look at the different flowers in it.
I know.
The color is really nice. So I got that one. And then I've been searching for napkins. They just don't have them. But I did find one package. And it was $3.98. Yellow text. It was not on sale. But there's 4 in here. And they're brand new. Still in the package. So I got those.
They sort of go with the tablecloth, maybe. A little.
No.
Okay.
But they would have been okay to go with what I just did the other day, but oh well. And then I found these tie backs, and they're so heavy, and they're really cool. And this was $2.98, yellow tag, not on sale. But I liked it for the cording, so if I didn't want to use it for a tie back, I could just cut the cording and use it. And you're probably like, what? Don't cut it!
That's exactly what I was thinking. She reads my mind.
And this one, I got it because, okay, and this one was $2.98. Orange was not on sale, so I paid that price. But look at this one. Let me put this box down. Look at all the jewels on it. Can you see it?
Not really, but I take your word for it. It's
Look at
awful
right
pretty.
here,
Yeah.
jewels. So, I know, it's kind of hard to see. I'm going to take them out of the package and we're going to take a picture of them. But I think I did pretty good.
I thought even full price, these were great prices. These things are very expensive.
Yeah, and they are super heavy. So we're gonna show you some pictures so you can get a closer look of them. So this was shopping haul number 1. So how do you think I did, Mom?
I thought you did pretty great, except now we gotta stop that machine and take pictures of this before I run out of time.
All right,
Well, we're just gonna zero in closely to these and show you the beautiful pattern. Can you see the butterfly now? And see this beautiful flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? And see the other butterfly on the other side. Oh, that's a perfect angle. The butterfly on each side of the flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, moving on to the next one. Look at this gold one. Look at how beautiful that looks. All the swirls and how gorgeous. We just couldn't get how pretty the pattern was earlier. Now you can see how beautiful these tablecloths are and the pattern they are. Look at them. Aren't they not beautiful? Oh, love them. Now let's see the other 3. I know it's hard to believe that we could not see that pumpkin in the other room. But with all the light on it now, you can see this tablecloth is my very, very favorite. With all these beautiful pumpkin and fall leaves going across it. Doesn't it look beautiful?
I just love how it's
finished off.
Yeah, it looks like it's raised, but it's not really. But it looks like it.
It's gorgeous. I love it. This is my favorite. Okay, when you're ready to get rid of it, just give it to me. And then these are the napkins she was talking about, and I think they're very, very pretty. And this green one has a beautiful pattern also. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, that one is, I like that design a lot.
Yeah, that's
I
gorgeous.
mean, it's a little wrinkled, but you know, I just got it from the thrift store. I'll be washing them all up.
Well, at least you can see what it is now. At least you can see how pretty they really are.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to show you 2 more things. Look at these beautiful tie backs she got. Want to say something about it, Debbie?
Yeah, I like this cording. I don't know about this so much, but I was thinking about, you know, maybe pulling it apart. I don't know.
No.
Just like this other one.
Oh yeah. Now I'm going to beat her up if she does this one.
But look, I saw this one and I saw, oh, this looks like it would be a cute little finial for like a topiary. That's why I actually got it, so I could pull it all apart and I'd have all these extra little beads.
No. Look at that beautiful cording, and she wants to destroy it. Look at it.
Destroy it, just transform it into something else.
And look at all the beading and all the finishes.
Yeah, but
and they look brand new. These look like they came right out of a store. They do not look like someone's home that's been setting for 10 years.
And what did I say I spent? I think I spent 30. Oh, they were both, each one of them were $2.98, so $3.
$3, so $6 for the 2 sets. Easily, this one here looks like it would have sold for maybe $30 to $50.
Yeah, this one for sure, because this got a lot of detail on it.
And it's beautiful, and it's very, very heavy.
Yeah.
Carlos is going to have to reinforce his walls to hang that one. And this one is my favorite either. I guess if you want to tear this one apart, it'd be all right. But you can't tear that one apart.
Okay.
No.
But this was the intention for this.
No. Well, you let me know. You leave in the comment section. Do you think she's crazy wanting to tear them apart? I think she's crazy myself. That's just mom.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll use them as a curtain tie back and then I'll take them apart.
I'm giving her a terrible look. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul she went on, and let's hope we don't have to put it in 2 videos, even this one.
No, we'll be okay. Thanks for stopping by, you guys.
Bye-bye.